this is me Tanya in front of you, and today I have come to an amazing place of Gwalior which is very famous in Gwalior and it enhances the beauty of Gwalior. Guys, I am talking about the famous Gwalior Trade Fair which enhances the beauty of Gwalior. This is one of the most famous iconic fair in Madhya Pradesh and it is the vibrant celebration of arts and culture in Gwalior which attract millions of visitors in this fair. This is the main gate of this fair, and if you want to explore Gwalior Trade Fair, if you are interested, so don't forget to join me on this beautiful journey. Let's talk about the history of Gwalior Trade Fair. So it held in the Mela ground of Gwalior. It has a vast and rich history dating back to 1905 and it is first organized by the King of Gwalior, Madhav Rao Scindia, and as you can see beside of me there is an idol and statue of Madhav Rao Scindia who was the king of this city. And this initially this fair was a cattle fair, but after some time it has evolved as a great and biggest trade fair. Every year in the month of December, Gwalior Trade Fair held and every visitors came to enjoy this fair. So guys, in this year 2025 there are lots of kinds of sectors in Gwalior Trade Fair and this one is Jhula or ride sector. If you are an adventurous person, so this sector is only for you. So in this year different kind of rides are present in Jhula sector. So if you like it, so please experience this. And if we talk about what is different in this year in Gwalior Trade Fair, so first Dubai Carnival is introduced first time in Gwalior Trade Fair. Second is the mermaid show is also introduced in Gwalior Fair first time to attract the visitors. So if you are interested in it and if you are an adventurous person, so make sure to visit it, experience this and enjoy this. Jhula sector in which this is a tsunami Jhula and it is very famous in Gwalior Trade Fair and it is in Gwalior first time and most of the visitors come here to experience this tsunami Jhula. fair, there is a Shilp Bazaar. In Shilp Bazaar, there is a lots of kind of furniture and pots are there. There are woods furniture are also available. There are soil pots and soil idols, the idols of gods, the idols of art and culture also present here. There is a in this Kashmiri clothes are also available. Basically, in Shilp Bazaar, there is a art of different kind of tribals area are coming here. So if you are interested in this, so you can visit this and experience this. Guys, in Gwalior Trade Fair there is a Kashmir Bazaar, and if you are a fond of shopping, so you can come here. In this sector you can buy a new clothes and in a very low price. Guys, if you find yourself in Gwalior during the fair, so don't forget to come here. You can experience the vibrant color, sound, art and culture of